Here is how to switch back to a personal Instagram account. So first, you need to go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Now to start, you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of your profile. Now next, tap on the three bars in the top right to go to your settings and activity menu. From here, you need to scroll down and go to the option of account type and tools. At the top, you will see account type. Go ahead and tap on it. Now in this page, you'll get the option of switch account type, which is highlighted in blue color. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll get two different options to switch your business account or to switch to personal account. Select one that you prefer and you'll be done. Remember that you'll lose access to certain professional features, and if you're sure, you can tap on switch. You know it's done when you're taken back to the settings menu and you will now see the option to switch to professional or personal account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.